very good day to you. Lots of blessing from my home. It's hot. Guwahati is hot, 40 degree. It's you need to take care of extra care of yourself. Like I'm home, but I am often taking care of myself. Thanda pani, and also this gamusa. Keep this gamusa wet. Freeze ka pani thanda. You don't need AC anytime. Use less AC because the AC air is not good. Recycle toxic air, but emergency may people are using, but carefully. So this fan chalte rehte hai, if you like wipe your skin, body like this, face thanda pani se, or fresh wala thanda feel hota hai. This is gamusa. That's why ancestral blessing isko kehte hain na. Before they used to use these gamusa. Ga means body, musa means wipe like this. Wipe, perfect wipe, wet wipe. You can wet wipe karte hain, dry wipe karta hai, dry your body like this. So itna blessing is gamusa mein, right? So aisa karke I'm going to read. Or also in missing villages we used to keep water in a vessel called keeling ना, ब्रास के होते हैं ना, गोल्डन कीलिंग, वो दरवाजा के पास रखते हैं. कहीं से भी people they when they visit you they are जो घर के होस्ट होते हैं ना, उनके पैर में पानी डालते हैं. इतने अच्छे रिच ट्रेडिशन कहाँ मिलेगा, लेकिन हमारे मिसिंग विलेज में होते हैं और हम भी ऐसे ही करते हैं. So this is the blessing of tradition we need to keep on, and I am going to read my story, short story. When always I share, fourth book of anthologies, poetry, short story, third book, 30th book, 40th book. Today I felt like I should read my story. This title is रेडियो भी बज रहे हैं क्या है? Lotus shoe. Lotus shoe is inspired from the Japanese tradition of how the ladies they wear shoe, just to keep their feet small and deformed हो जाते हैं. So much of love is so much is done for the love to display, to demonstrate, to show their love for their beloved one, the person they love, right? So my story, and that's clinical, deformed ho jate hain, I don't know how the men of them. Here be my story is Lotus shoe is like, yes, the rigor, the pain, the suffering, the trauma, the tragedy we go through. It is Dante's, process of reaching paradise through hell, hellfire. आप उसमें लटक गए तो जल जाओगे hellfire में, but you have to cross that hellfire of life and reach paradise. Like it's beautiful, and read the right stories and share stories and read like this. So I'm going to read Lotus shoe. It has all the ingredients, right, from how the character in the book, right from tiny ants, movement, their way of life. इंस्पायर होते हैं, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं एंड को, लिजर्ड को, माइक्रोब्स को, पत्तों को, इंडोर हाउस प्लांट को, लाइक दिस. सो लेट मी रीड दिस आउट. लोटस शू इज डेडिकेटेड टू, ये हमारे जो दिस इज वन ऑफ 40th बुक में से एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी बुक है, डेडिकेटेड टू कमला दास. हर हु इज कमला दास? कमला दास इज कमलापति, हर मेडन नेम. Married name is Kamala Das. शादी करके Kamala Das लिखने लगे. She is related to Travancore Royal House. Travancore Royal House. Anyways, and she is a winner of Kerala Sahitya Academy for her autobiography, My Story. Okay, let's read my story. And here also Kamala Das. She is an revolutionary author known for her work. She's also because of her rebellious for a good cause, not bad cause. So she's iconoclast. Iconoclast not necessarily destroyer of images, but उस image में, उस belief system में जो superstition होते हैं ना, she used to discourage that. And yes, she used to encourage the way I encouraging you all to follow the ancestral blessing. Musa and killing पानी, किसी के पानी पैर में पानी डाल दो, and you will receive the blessing. So here says blurb में लिखा है, gift him what makes you woman. Gift him what makes you woman. Gift him lotus shoe. Gift him what makes you woman. The scent of long hair, curly hair to long hair. The scent of long hair. The musk of sweat between the breast. The warm shock of menstrual blood and all your endless female hungers. She has written a female hunger. So she has written this Looking Glass mein. She won Sahitya Academy, Kerala Sahitya Academy. Anyway, so I'm going to read my story. Lotus Shoe. I will tell you the length of shadows that the evening sun shall cast, the golden rays in the golden hour. The whole sky turns golden. Now the dark lands have street lights, both solar lamp and bulbs, few glowing and few fused. Speeding vehicles have crushed many an ants that crawled in a long march. Speeding vehicle and the ant in a long march while crossing the road out of a sugar can. Not sugar cane, but sugar cane. Sugar made from sugar cane, put it there in a can. And they were coming out from the sugar cane was in the abandoned room. कोई छोड़ दिया इस room. Not knowing the human driving the vehicles are frivolous, mindless people from substantial world. Substantial world means essential world. World is very world is earth is beautiful. Without human being, earth is the beauty will be gone. Both are important, people and the planet, right? So yeah, and not knowing human driving the vehicle are frivolous and mindless and with no power. That frivolous driver are with no power to sense and no nose like ants. Ants has the बोलते हैं कि sharpest nose ना, सूंघ लेते हैं. अब कहीं भी चीनी या मीठा डाल दो, within no second they're rich, right? They have the very smart nose. I have to check क्या है उसमें scientific discoveries. Not even so social insect, and these people are not even social like social insects. अब social group एक बना लिया, वो social नहीं होते, right? Social is a beautiful term. Like the ants who prefer to live organized colonies and socialize. हम socialize करते हैं, drinks and drugs पीते हैं. ये socialize करते हैं, so creative thoughts. And that's why I like my lit fest and poetry festivals and talking to good people so that we share good things, right? So ants know how to organize colonies and socialize. हम जब lane by lane में घुसते हैं तो people है big skyscraper, बड़े building है, लेकिन छोटे lane है, उसको road नहीं बोलते, pathways. So small two vehicle cannot cross, right? And no drain. Get inside the cities of Guwahati, lanes by lanes. So this is not well planned city, right? If one dare to discourage their frivolities, if one dare to discourage, mat karo, reckless driving mat karo, then the road rails. If you discourage their frivolities, their silly actions are possessed by fierce anger. Their silly actions are possessed by fierce anger. Road rage, no? They may kill you in the road rage. बहुत cases है ऐसे. It would be sheer foolishness to fritter energy. If you, the ants think that the character observed in the means he has created the ants are, even the ants are thinking it would be a sheer foolishness to fritter energy, to waste your energy fighting, right? The long march on the tiny and just the other side, the character was observing. Who is the character? I'll tell you the name. The character was observing the tiny ants were crossing the road and vehicular speeding vehicle and reckless driving, and but she was observing the ant was crossing the huge road. It was giving her solace. Bestows, the tiny ants were bestowing solace. Then the people with empty buckets and bottles quarreling and standing not in queue. Then other side, there's a people with empty bucket, water scarcity in the city, standing with not in queue, but you know, पहले मेरे को लेना है मेरे को नहीं, मेरे को पहले वो बच्चे स्कूल छोड़ने जाना है, नहीं मेरे को ऑफिस जाना है. They were fighting and not in a queue, you know. क्यों होते तो फटाफट हो जाते हैं, फाइटिंग में टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है. सो द रैंडम टर्न्स टू फिल अप द बकेट्स विद द टाइम फ्रेम फिक्स बाय गुवाहाटी म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन हैज सेट. टाइम फ्रेम होते हैं गुवाहाटी म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन की, बिटवीन 7 to 8 AM the water will be supplied. So in between the hassle and fight and chaos, so but the water they take it from it's a broken pipe. वो legally जो, I mean not from legal you know connected pipe, but they have broken the pipe and every morning they come to take water from the broken pipe. They damaged it, but it is the mercy of the Dole and Doloi complex owner. Dole तो missing community से होता है, लेकिन Doloi Karbi community से. So I think there's a partnership there. Dole and Doloi complex owner, they illegally take water on humanitarian ground. It's the mercy of this complex owner, Dole and Doloi. They can take illegally the water on humanitarian ground. Fringe benefit होता है. I mean, you know, the owner, Dole and Doloi, I mean the owner, they observe them, you know, they have water, but their own personal water boring या कुछ ऐसा है शायद manage करके रखा है. But the from Guwahati Municipal Corporation, the pipe they broke it, you know, they break the pipe and they take it from, they repair it often, and but they will, I mean, there are so many people, you know, poor people, they take water from there, the broken pipe. They break it every time they mend it. And few NGO, not people of the city, celebrate Water Day, protesting and spreading awareness to keep the mighty river Brahmaputra clean. Heavy drive to clean up, to keep the river happy, and the Brahmaputra is happy. They clean up the river. And the garbage, they clean up the garbage that has gulped the river Bhorolu. Mighty river is flowing there. Other side where small rivulets like river Bhorolu, they all from different parts of the city, mountain, they come down and join river, mighty river Brahmaputra. And but because there's no drain, they have, the garbage has gulped the river Bhorolu. Garbage has gulped down the river Bhorolu. So much so that the river got its new name. The garbage has gulped down the river Bhorolu so much so that the river has got new name. What could be the new name? Namankaran ho gaya. Mora Bhorolu. The new name is Mora Bhorolu. Mora in Assamese means dead. Mar gaye. Marawa Nadi, dead river. That's it. So the water doesn't flow to river Brahmaputra, but the garbage, the dirt, toxic that comes out from the garbage flows, dirty water flows into the river, creating poison river. So Brahmaputra is angry, not happy, because they are cleaning up, not cleaning up the dead river Moraborolu. Brahmaputra is happy flowing, but Moraborolu is not happy. 1.4 billion cubic kilometer, 1.4 billion cubic kilometer is the volume of water that has almost gulped the earth. Earth is 70% water, right? And 35 million cubic kilometer of fresh water can cause this scarcity. There are abundance of water on earth, 35 million cubic of fresh water. But what is causing this scarcity? Water crisis is now a deadly disease, incurable disease of every city, of Indian city, every Indian city. Night is long, so it's night, dark night. She reached home, trying to sleep. Night is long enough to try a sound sleep. So night is long enough to try a sound sleep. Making room for inexhaustible life is exhaustive enough. Making room for inexhaustible life is exhaustive enough. She's exhausted. Each season is the season of summer, like this heat wave. Summer with heat wave. It's a season of summer, but glaciated with cold outside and inside the house too. So inside the house it's cold, but it's summer. It's not like me, you know, gamusa wiping, wet gamusa wiping, or pani pine ka time. Okay, so pani pine ka time and also wipe karne ka time. Not that hot, but you know, it's giving me chill pill. So it's the season of summer, but glaciated with cold outside and inside the house too. The snowfall along the rainfall on the tin roof was creating parallel auditory effect of rattling sound of like that of rattlesnakes, and the vibrations of vocal cord caused by the deep gamak. The baraf girte na tin roof mein baris and the baraf. It is like a vibration of vocal cord caused by deep gamak that a classical singer creates and renders. The unpleasant cacophonous noise caused by blaring honks from ceaseless flow of vehicles has disrupted the continual soundless emergence of past progressive potency, depriving me from this saucible persuasion of openness. It's a beautiful day, and pleasant day, and I feel like reading a story from my book. I've written an anthology, and this is the anthology where all poets from all the world, national and international poets, are here. And this book is dedicated to lots of poets here. Bhabatsa, Khas Lieutenant Colonel Ankita Srivastava, Misha Singh, oh my goodness, lots, and Kirti Singh, Josna Gandhi, Gauri Vaish, Gita Suri, Divakar Pokhriyal, Durga Patwa, Dipanshi Shah, Madhu Sen, Maya Khandelwal, lots. And let me read out. This book is actually, my title, the poem, oh sorry, this short story, the title is Lotus Shoe. Inspired from the Japanese lotus shoe, where ladies wear a lotus shoe to, you know, show their affection, love for the men they love, right? So, and this book is dedicated to Kamala Das Indian, quite revolutionary, quite iconoclast. Iconoclast not necessarily means image destroyer, but uh, uh, they are basically the things that are erroneous, right? Erroneous and not right for human welfare. She is Kamala Surya. Her good name was Madhavi Kuthe. Madhavi Kuthe. She's written her autobiography, My Story. She is known for her liberal treatment of female sexuality, and her life is, she is known to her Travancore royal house. Her son was married to Travancore princess. She has Kerala Sahitya Academy Award mila for her story Thanukku. Kerala Sahitya Academy. The book is dedicated to Madhavi. How you pronounce this? Madhavi Kuthe. Madhavi Kuthe. And let me read the story I've written for this book, anthology of short stories. So I've written like this. It goes. I will tell you the length of the shadows that the evening sun shall cast. Now the dark lanes have street lights, also solar lights, few glowing, few fuse bulbs. Speeding vehicles have crushed many an ants that crawled in a long march. Ants crawling out in a long march. Out of a sugar can, not sugar cane, sugar from the can. They creep out from the abandoned room. Not knowing, the ants didn't know. Not knowing the human driving the vehicle are frivolous, mindless people from substantial world. World is essential. They knew world is essential. Without human being, world is not possible. But they are frivolous, they are mindless, senseless, not sensitive driver, and then with no power to sense and knows like ants. That human being was driving frivolously. They don't have the sense and knows like ants. Not even so social insects. They are not like social insects. Like the ants who prefer to live organized colonies and socialize. The ants who prefer to live in organized colonies and socialize unitedly. If one dare to discourage their frivolities, their silly actions are possessed by fierce anger. It would be a sheer foolishness to fritter energy. So there are so many road rage occur, because of this mindless action and senseless driving and road rage and weird behavior. So it's foolishness to waste energy fighting with them, right? So the long march, the end was like, they say it's a wastage of energy. Why fritter energy fighting with people? So again, the long march on the tiny ant bestows the view. I mean, the sight was so solace, the long march of the tiny ant bestows solace. Then the people with empty buckets and bottles quarreling and standing not in queue. The random turns to fill the buckets with the time frame fixed by Guwahati Municipal Corporation has set 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. But the water they take from the broken pipes, they damage the pipe. That's crime. That's not legal. It's at the mercy of the. So the night is long, enough to try a sound sleep. Making room for inexhaustible life is exhaustive enough. It's a season of summer, but glaciated with cold outside and inside the house too. The snowfall along the rainfall on the tin roof was creating a parallel auditory effect of rattling sound, like that of a rattlesnake, and the vibration of vocal cord caused by deep gamak that a classical singer renders and creates. The unpleasant cacophonous noise caused by blaring honks from ceaseless flow of vehicles has disrupted the continual soundless emergence of past progressive patency, depriving me from this saucible persuasion of openness to gaze at the open, empty sky. I crave to empty the clutter inside me and then to sip in peace the mugful of daiquiri, my discovery of cocktail made of 10 to 15 basil leaves, lemon, and passion of purity that the organic Temi tea from Sikkim says, and the hot water. The heat from the glass warming up my frozen hands and the emanating steaming over my face that was frozen too. Hear thou, great Anna, whom 3 realms obey, do sometimes counsel take, and sometimes tea. Lines from 1714, The Rape of the Lock. Rape of the Lock. Hairlock or lock. Alexander Pope's poetry floats along in the air. The steaming cup from the tea. Tea is daiquiri, mix of lots of basil tea, tulsi ka patta, passion of purity. उसमें passion of purity है, lemon है, and basil tea. Everything was steaming. Love steaming over the frozen face, warming the frozen face, and the poetry line from Alexander Pope. Hear thou, great Anna, whom 3 realms obey, do sometime counsel take, and sometimes tea. Tea time now. Should I stop here? Okay. Every floating leaves from evergreen tropical shrubs of both tea and basil, and the chunks of lemon sank down gently, creating a passage to the bottom of a huge glass of tea, aiding a Kadanja, great Camellia sinensis. Great Camellia sinensis. Name of the tea. Flower, but tea now. Thy careworn tea and sympathy. Thy careworn tea इतना अच्छा से बनाया कि careworn हो गया, बनाते tea बनाते exhaust. Careworn tea and sympathy to my troubled thought. Heals and calms my mind. That's written by the character. No? Great Camellia sinensis, thy careworn tea and sympathy to my troubled thoughts, heals and calms my mind, troubled mind. Betrayal. Betrayal is like a chain in the legs, the manacle. Immovable things become immune to impacted fracture of faith caused by the collision of piled up stones from kind. The nasty chaff of memories caused the soreness in thoughts. Its kind of peremptory shortness, rude, very rude. The heat and friction erupt from the chain of thoughts. But it was a betrothal too, to be married, right? Act of love with promise to marry. Brahmin Tada's priorities are different. Priorities are dreams. Priorities are the dreams. Everybody's expectation culminated into this dream. They look up to him as a savior. He is not a free man, but his love for Achyut was marked by no sigh, distant and discourteous, benign bluntness. But yes, the consequence was what divided it, paved its division, betrayal brusquely, not brusquely, betrayal brusquely, rudely, right? Bluntly, I mean. Betrayal was brusquely, betrayal was blunt. The constellation of 7 biggest stars has formed the galaxy of love. Yes, it's the 7 lovers that constellates here. Galaxy में 7 lovers होते हैं. Galaxy is like 7 lovers. And their non-monothetic search for abstract universal principles. So these lovers on earth, they look for abstract universal principles. Achyut Thessie is heartbroken. Wounds that betide her has left into infinite broken pieces, the traumas, the pain, the suffering she goes through. Recuperation took her long. Recuperation took her long. She had to gather all her strength to recover, less from affliction, more from exhaustion. The trauma cause was, the trauma that afflicted on her, she could recuperate. But she had to gather all her strength to recover, less from this suffering and affliction, but more from the exhaustion to forget Brahmin Dada. The bad bargain ever in her love affair. Bad bargain in her love affair, which had consumed all the time she had. So bad bargain in her love affair was they had to call off the marriage, wedding, which had consumed all the time she had. Which had consumed all the time she had. The time she dreamt to move out and re-execute herself, reinvent herself, re-beautify herself, a quest which Achyut Thessie felt later to be very essential. Rise not only like the phoenix, rise like the power in you that will protect you, power of love. So I call up today. बहुत पेज है, देखिए. So these are the anthologies. I'm going to make a book and lunch and invite you all, share with you all. And time to wipe my, not sweating, but cooling myself up and radio song. Beautiful outside. So sigh off. Dehydration से बचने के लिए hydrate yourself. Water is life. Bye. It's a beautiful day, but temperature is almost 40 degree in Guwahati. I'm at home cooling myself. I would like to advise, not advise you, it's my love for you all, concern for you all, that keep yourself away from this heat wave and pani peete rahiye. And I'm not thirsty, but it's mandatory to keep yourself cool, the body cool. And ga musa, ga means body, musa means wipe. So I've kept my gamusa wet, and wet yourself like this. ठंडा घर में हो तो बर्फ डाल के रखिए, and wet yourself like this. और AC नहीं चाहिए ऐसे ना, it's like cooling the fan हवा में ऐसे. And though I use less AC because recycle air even is toxic, but emergency में तो use करते, that's different thing, but for very less time. Like this, wet yourself, ये wet gamusa, ga musa. ये पूर्वजों ने इसलिए they used it, they never had fan, AC, natural air थे, फिर भी I think then also they had not this type of heat wave, but heat तो थे शायद, hot थे, so hot potato. So wipe like this, or usually पैर में पानी डालते रहिएगा when you are home. हमारे मिसिंग विलेज में, if you go to our missing village, we keep कीलिंग बोलते हैं, कीलिंग ना घट्टी, एक ब्रास के घट्टी होते हैं, ब्रास के घट्टी, वो कीलिंग को हम लोग घर के चौखट पे ही रखते हैं, बरामदे में रखते हैं. whoever travel come from different villages और outside, तो उस पानी को डाल के अंदर जाते हैं, प्यूरीफाई भी होते हैं, और it keeps your body cool, blood temperature को भी शायद कंट्रोल करते होंगे, और साइंटिफिक वैल्यू होते हैं. हमारे पूर्वजों ने एंसेस्ट्रल ब्लेसिंग इसी का कहते हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू रीड, घर में बैठे बैठे आई थॉट I should read my story because I hardly get a chance to. वैसे तो I always share कि book publish हो गए हैं, my 40th, my 30th, 20th book of anthology with international and national, all my poets and authors and also scientists. I am writing sci-fi, scientific, as a writer I am scientific and trying to understand scientific thing, right from astrophysics to zine editing to everything, right? So today I'm going to read this book, and title of my this is short story is The Lotus Shoe. Lotus shoe क्या होते हैं पता है? Is inspired from Japanese traditionally जो उन लोग पहनते हैं shoe, women, just to show their, display their, demonstrate their love, affection for the people, person they love, right? For the beloved they love. And so inspired from the lotus shoe, but इतना rigorous जो they go through, the clinical हो जाते हैं उनका, they end up deformed हो जाते हैं, feet not that of rigorous pain, but my lotus shoe is very positive and very lovely story, how you resurrect, how you like more than a phoenix, you have that power, how you rise from trauma, tragedies. इसको ना एक हद तक लेना है, उससे नहीं लेना है. This book will have that, beautiful stories, right from how small ant inspire you, how microbe inspire you to, survive. So, and this book is dedicated to Kamala Das. Who is Kamala Das? If I may. नींबू चाहिए, गर्मी है बहुत लेमनेड बनाने के लिए। ठीक है, it's a beautiful day and